Dear students, welcome to IC. Today SSC grant test number 63 English explanation is here. Let us start and listen carefully. Check here. Direction 76 to 78. In each of the following questions, some part of the sentence is given in bold. The bold part is an idiom or phrase. Out of the given option, choose the option that can replace the bold part. So, I shall fight this case of injustice to the poor till the logical end. Okay. So till the logical end is totally wrong here, first of all. Okay. Why? Because here we are talking about I shall fight this case of injustice to the poor. Fine. So court of law, you are taking one case in the court of law when the authority or the nation or the country or the government, okay, are not willing to take any action against the accused. Not willing to take any action against the accused. Okay. So in that time when government is not taking any kind of decision, any kind of action or any kind of decision against the accused person, then the last resort is what, sir? The judicial thing. Okay, so that is why option number B, till the last judicial resort, is our answer. 76, option number B is the answer. Next one. Come to 77. The government has lifted the ban on reservation in government services with immediate effect. With immediate effect meaning, there is a meaning. Let us check, sir. With effect from a particular time. Okay, and you don't know when the particular time is there. Now what are the options? From the first of the coming month, from the day of next competitive examinations, from the next fiscal year, from this very moment, from this very moment, at this exact time, or right now. Okay, people have one sense in the mind that with immediate effect meaning right now or at this exact time. No, with immediate effect meaning with effect from a particular time. They will give you a particular time, and from that time each and everything will be affected. Okay, that is the thing. That particular service will start from that particular time. But very moment meaning from immediately, at this moment. So option number D is the answer, from this very moment. Okay, so the government has lifted the ban on reservation in government services from this very moment, immediately. Okay, 77, D is the answer, everyone. Next one. Come to 78. No one doubted that those that entered the mosque armed to teeth could be the true Muslims. Okay, so in this case our answer should be armed from head to toe. Armed from head to toe. Armed to teeth meaning is what? Carrying many weapons. Carrying many weapons. Okay, so that is the thing. So obviously for 78, C is the answer, sir. Armed from head to toe. Totally armed with weapons from here till there. Okay, so that is the thing. So no one doubted that those that entered the mosque armed from head to toe could be the true Muslims. 78, C is the answer. Okay, next one. Come to 79 to 83. In each of the following questions, a sentence is divided into three parts, namely A, B, C. One of the parts may contain an error. Choose the error part, otherwise choose option D as your answer. So let us read. Come to question number 79. I sent you a parcel by a RMS representative who has going to Delhi. In C, two problems are there. RMS, like MA, Master of Arts, degree is there, na? So before that what we are using, sir? An MA, because the sound of vowel is coming out, sound of A is coming out. In the same way RMS, a sound is coming out, that's why an should be the one. That is the main thing. So I sent you a parcel by an RMS representative. Now sir, sent is there, past tense is there. Here what is written? Present tense is written. Cut it down, write down was, that's all. Okay. So I sent you a parcel by an RMS representative who was going to Delhi. That's the thing, sir. Two problems are there in C option. Option number C is the answer. Okay. So option number C is our answer. Next one. Come to question number 80, everyone. Narrower the roads, the more chances of accident. So in this case, sir, the more chances. See here, before one adjective, what is there, sir? The. Clear? And another one is there. So when two adjectives are there in comparative degree, then both of them will take article before them. Okay, the. So that is the thing, sir. The narrower the roads, the more chances of accident are there. So in that case, option number A is the answer. Okay, it's so easy. Next one, come to 81. I can assure you that of these two boys, the coach will select the better. Two boys, nothing to say about it, and people will ask, sir, why before better the is there? Better is comparative degree, and I should not use any kind of the before comparative. That is a normal thing. But who is the better between two, sir? Now see, two persons are there. Okay, so when you are finding out the best out of between these two, then comparative degree only used because two persons are there. Fine. But when two persons are there and you have to find out the best out of them, then you have to use a comparative degree. But before that, what to use, sir? The. Okay, because you are finding out the best one, or this one, or this one, whatever it is. So I can assure you that of these two boys, the coach will select the better. So boys, okay, so C, there is a problem, and C is here. Option number C is the answer. Clear? So 81, option number C. Next one, come to 82. The plants take their food through the process called photosynthesis. Now check very carefully, sir. Plants is there. Plants is what, sir? Common noun. Plants is what, sir? Common noun. Before common noun, what not to use, sir? The. Okay, so before common noun, what not to use? The. So cut it down, that's all. Plants take their food, problem in A, sir. That's the thing. Option number A is the answer. 82, option number A. Plants take their food through the process called photosynthesis. 82, option number A. Next one, 83. Palika Bazaar at Delhi is notorious for selling illegal goods. So Palika Bazaar in Delhi, sir. Okay, why in Delhi? Because simply check, Palika Bazaar is written. That's a small area in a big area. So in Delhi. So whenever two areas are there, big one and small one, big one will take in, small one will take at. So here, smaller one is in the bigger one. So in Delhi. Clear? So option number A is the answer. This is the thing. 83. Option number A is the answer, everyone. Clear? Next one. Now, come to direction 84 to 86. Out of the four alternatives, choose the one which best expresses the meaning of the given word in bold letters. Imbue is the word. Imbue meaning spreading. Imbue meaning spread or diffuse. Okay. Irony meaning, sir, caustic remark or sarcasm. Brilliant meaning here everybody knows, nothing to say about that. Permeate meaning, sir, diffusing or spreading. I think you people already got the answer. Okay. And justice meaning also everybody knows. Okay. The law of court where people are getting justice. So imbue and permeate. Option number C is our answer. So 84, imbue is the word. Option number C, permeate is a synonym for it. 84, C is the answer. Next one, come to 85, sir. Aggravate. Aggravate meaning making worse. Exacerbate. So, exacerbate. Fine. So, worsen. Now, aggravate meaning what? Making worse. Exacerbate. So, worsen is the answer, sir. Okay. That is the thing. Other words are there. Wonder. Wonder meaning inquire or admiration. Wondering. You are asking a question. When you are asking a question, you are wondering, sir. Okay, next one. Drift. Drift meaning blow or float. Float. Amputate meaning cut off or remove by surgery. Surgery meaning everybody knows operation, that is a thing. So remove by surgery, or that is a thing called amputate or cutting off. Aggravate meaning exacerbate or making worse. Option number A, worsen is our answer. Next one, come to 86. Bandit is the word. Bandit meaning armed thief. Okay, so armed thief, what are they, sir? Criminal. And outlawed, option number D, direct meaning is criminal or criminal activity. Option number D is the answer. Okay, other words are there, sir. Gossip is there. Gossip meaning talking informally about someone, informal conversation. Okay, recluse. Recluse meaning unsocial, those people who don't want to mix up with the society. Unsocial activity, people are getting another kind of understanding, but here unsocial meaning those people who don't want to mix up with the particular society and always recluded, like taking one particular outsourcing kind of thing. They don't want to mix with the society. Okay, so that is the thing. More introvert people. Now come to veteran, sir. Veteran, option number C, ex-serviceman. And as I already told, outlawed meaning criminal. So bandit and outlawed both are synonymous. 86, option number D is the answer. Next one. Come to direction 87 to 88. Out of the 4 alternatives, choose the one that is opposite in meaning to the given word in the bold words. Opposite in meaning. Despotism is the word. So despotism meaning, sir, monocracy. One person is there and he or she is directly ruling the country with whatever he or she wants to do. He or she is doing that thing. Okay, nobody can talk against him or her. Okay, so that is the thing. Despotism. Obviously democracy is the answer, and sometimes democracy also giving birth to despotism. India is the perfect example right now. So 87, democracy and despotism both are antonymous. Now come to autocracy, sir. Autocracy meaning a political system governed by one single person. Autocracy, governed by one single person. Okay. Next one, plutocracy, governed by wealthy people. Governed by wealthy people, a system or political system. Aristocracy, meaning governed by privileged class. Privileged class. Another meaning is also there, sir. Gentry class. Okay, those people who are having money, who are having power, who are having connection with the higher authority, if they started to govern one country political and they are entering the political system, that is called aristocracy. Okay, so despotism meaning what I told, monocracy, tyranny, problems will be there, and obviously democracy is the answer, where people are choosing their own leader. So 87, option number A, democracy is the answer. Next one, come to question number 88, everyone. Desecrate is the word. Desecrate meaning outrage, anger, profane, disregard the sacred thing. Disregard the sacred meaning disrespecting the sacred thing, which is like people are taking one kind of thing that this is a sacred thing for me. Okay, any kind of deity, any kind of holy thing, but when you are disregarding that particular thing, that no, this is nothing, then that is a thing called desecrate. Okay, profaning, outraging. Now come to word distribute. Distribute meaning disperse widely. Disperse widely. Consecrate meaning holy or sacred, maintaining the sacred thing. Okay, holy thing. Discredit meaning disagree or disgrace or damage. And withdraw meaning move away. All these meanings are there. So desecrate and consecrate both are antonymous. What I told, desecrate meaning disregarding the sacred thing, disregarding the holy thing that is already accepted by each and everyone. This is the holy thing. Simply I am giving you an example. that each and everyone, including all of the people in India, thinking that Ganges is the river, holy river. Fine. And now suddenly you entered into those people inside that particular area and told no, all kinds of dust and allergic things and this one and that one is going through the river. How that can be particular a holy river? Okay, so you are actually disregarding what are the people are thinking. Okay, that is the holy thing. But when you are maintaining that, consecrating that, then you are maintaining that, okay, this is a holy thing, this is a sacred thing. That is a thing. Okay, so 88, option number B is the answer. Fine. So next one, come to 89 to 91. Select the option that best replaces the bold portion in the following sentence. He is every inch a gentleman. Okay, so here, sir, completely, every inch completely, every inch completely. Okay, that is a thing. Come to next one. Come to 90. That is enough. Do not push me back to wall. Compel one to retaliate. This is the meaning. Now check the meanings first. Compel meaning force. Retaliate meaning taking revenge. Okay, so what is the thing? So that is enough. Not push me back to wall. No, do not push me back to wall, meaning one person is continuously provoking another person, so another person is saying enough, stop it right now. Don't force me to take any revenge. Clear? That is the thing. Option number A is the answer. Fine. 90, option number A is the answer. Clear? Next one. Come to 91. She can't put up with his snoring and decided to take the divorce. Okay, so husband and wife. So husband is continuously snoring at the time of sleep. So she can't tolerate with that. So obviously tolerates her. Okay, option number B is the answer. Tolerate. So bear or put up with someone. Put up with someone. So praise, criticize, admire, meaning everybody knows. 91, option number B is the answer. Okay, next one, sir. Come to 92 to 93. In each of the following questions, a group of words are given. Out of the given alternative, choose the alternative that is equal in meaning to the given group of words. So here we are getting one word substitution. So a disease which spreads by contact is called infectious disease. Option number A is the answer. Okay, some other words are there, sir. Deleterious. Deleterious meaning harmful or injurious. Harmful or injurious. Next one, sir, semantic. Study of meaning. Study of meaning. Okay, and ribald meaning dirty. That is all the other meanings. So in that case, 92, option number A, infectious is the word. Next one, sir. Come to question number 93, everyone. A formal written charge against a person for some crime or offense is called indictment. Option number A, sir. Okay, option number A, indictment is the word. Now other words are there, sir. Acquittal. Acquittal is judgment of not guilty. Okay, next one, trial meaning test run. Trial of metro, I think everybody knows this one, yes or no? That is the thing. And transition meaning change over. Change over. The changing pattern one after another. Transition from one part to another part. The changes, whatever is going on, that is the thing called transition. Okay, 93, option number A, indictment is our answer. Okay, next one. Come to 94 to 98. In the following passage, there are blanks, each of which has been numbered. These numbers are printed below the passage, and against each, 4 words are suggested, one of which fits the blank appropriately. Find out the appropriate word in each case. So, check here, sir. Around the world, companies that have achieved international leadership employ strategies or plans that dash from each other in every respect. So, here we are getting what kind of options? Let us see. Offer, differ, after, contrast. Differ. Differ meaning is what? Difference of opinion or a different opinion. Okay, and obviously differ is the answer. Why differ is the answer? Check here. Around the world, companies that have achieved international leadership. Okay, each and everywhere these companies are there. employ strategies or plan that differ from each other. If same kind of plan this kind of companies will put, okay, then people will not take their products, yes or no. So difference, there should be some difference, one particular company and another particular company, and whatever the strategies are, there should be some difference. So employ strategies that differ from each other in every respect. But while every successful company will employ its own particular strategy, the dash mode of operation, the character and trajectory of all successful companies is fundamentally the same. Now let us go for 95, sir. Before going for 95, let us go for 94 once again. Option number B, differ is the answer. Next question. Let us go for it once again. So around the world, companies that have achieved international leadership employ strategies or plans that differ or differentiating all the plans, okay, from each other in every respect. But, so but is there, sir? Some opposite word is coming out. So but, while every successful company will employ its own particular strategy. So when each and every successful company will try to employ their own particular strategy, own particular plan, the dash mode of operation, the character and trajectory, okay, of all successful companies is fundamentally the same. So the main motto of each and every company is actually same. So base is same, okay. So that is the thing. So base is same. Plans can be different, but the basic, the fundamental areas are same. For 95, let us find out what are the words. Underlying meaning inherent, okay, or you can say implicit, line or basic. Basis, element, primer, all meanings are there. So obviously we will take option number A only, underlining, okay. So let us go for 95 once again and let us check. So differ from each other in every respect, but while every successful company will employ its own particular strategy, the underlying mode of operation, the basic mode of operation, the underlying mode of operation or the basic mode of operation or the fundamental mode of operation, the character and trajectory or flight, trajectory meaning flight of all successful companies is fundamentally the same, okay. Meaning they can employ strategies or plan differently, okay, but the actual motto or actual particular character and trajectory of all successful companies are fundamentally same, okay. That is the thing. So 95 underlying is the answer. So here 95 option number A we are getting as our answer. Next one, come to 96. Right? Companies dash competitive advantage through acts of innovation, okay. So for 96, what the operations we are getting? Compete, work, follow, achieve. Achieve meaning attaining or getting something. Attaining or getting something. Option number D is our answer, sir. Okay, so let us go for it. Achieve. So companies achieve competitive advantage. So they are gaining. Okay, so obviously our answer should be what? ACHIEVE, achieve. Okay, so that is the answer obviously for question number 96. So let us read it once again. Companies achieve competitive advantage, or companies attaining competitive advantage, or companies are getting a competitive advantage through acts of innovation, right? New things. So that is the thing. So for 96, achieve is the answer. Next one, come to 97 right now. So in this case we will read from 96 itself. So companies achieve, okay, so companies achieve competitive advantage through acts of innovation. New things they are making, trying, and thus they are achieving or getting competitive advantage, okay. They approach innovation in its broadest sense, including both new technologies and new ways of doing things. They perceive a new basis for competitive or better means to compete in old ways. Innovation can be dash in a new product. So right now in 97, what kind of innovations companies are doing, that is the thing, is things are written. So innovation can be new product design, new production process, new marketing approach, new way of conducting training. Okay, so for 97, what are the words we are getting, sir? Obviously meaning apparently, Okay, manifested meaning attested or certified. Attested, same meaning obviously. Another meaning is also there, sir, authenticate. Okay, authenticated, and obviously noticeable meaning detectable. Now let us take manifested. So innovation can be manifested in a new product design. Why I have taken manifested? Attested, demonstrated. Okay, another meaning is also there, demonstrated. Demonstrated meaning that can be seen. So what kind of new innovations are there? You can watch them, you can see them. Okay, so those are new product design, new production process, new marketing approach, new way of conducting trade. Fine. So for a 97, option number B, manifested is our answer. Next one. Now come to 98 right now, everyone. So for 97, what we got? Innovation can be manifested or demonstrated. Yes or no? So we can see all the kinds of innovation that a company is making. Okay, in these areas. Now come to 98. So much innovation is mundane and incremental. Much innovation meaning too much of innovation is mundane, dull. Okay, and incremental, depending more on an accumulation of small insights and advances dash on a single major technological breakthrough. So if continuous innovation will go through, every day it will start, okay, then it will become mundane. Like as we all know that after that particular iPhone 12, iPhone 13 came and people are not buying it. Why? Because same thing is there. So that thing is becoming mundane right now, daily routine type. So innovation should not be like that. Innovation should be like something which is a major technological breakthrough, opened up a new ways of thinking. That kind of innovation should be there. So here comparison is there obviously, so obviously than should be the word. So and advances than on a single major technological breakthrough. Okay, 98, option number D is the answer. And let us complete the thing. It often involves ideas that are not even new ideas, that have been around but never vigorously pursued. It always involves investment in skill and knowledge as well as in physical assets and brand reputations. So what is written altogether? Much innovation is mundane and incremental, depending more on an accumulation of small insights and advances than on a single major technological breakthrough. Okay, immediate a very great technological breakthrough, rather than that small insights and advances are very mundane. Each and every day innovations are coming. Okay, so it often involves ideas that are not even new ideas. So each and every day if things are coming out, innovations are coming out, so those are not new ideas, okay, that have been around but never vigorously pursued. Not a new ideas, but actually they were never taken as a new idea. It always involves investments in skill and knowledge as well as in physical assets and brand reputation. That is the thing. 98, option number D is the answer. Then is the thing. Next one. Come to 99 to 100. Choose the wrongly spelled word. Adroit. Adroit spelling is fine, sir. Meaning is artful, clever. Okay. Dexterous spelling is wrong. So in that case, option number B is our answer. Now come to the board once again. Dexterous. Okay. So obviously meaning is what, sir? Skillful. People have tendency to write down SKILLFUL. Please, sir, don't do it. One single is enough. Okay. So skillful. Dexterous spelling is wrong. Inexorable, meaning green or stern. Okay. Inflexible, not listening to anyone. Okay. And intransigent, meaning is also inflexible. Meaning is also inflexible. Stern. Okay. Stern. Another word is also there, sir. Adamant. Okay. So check very carefully. Adroit and dexterous. This one obviously, not that one. That is spelling is wrong. So adroit and dexterous both are synonymous. Inexorable and intransigent both are synonymous. Okay. So for question number 99, option number B is the answer because that is the wrongly spelled. Fine. Next one. Come to 100 number. Psychophancy, spelling is wrong, sir. Okay, this is the thing. Psychophancy. Okay, those people who are doing the bootlicking kind of thing or submissiveness. What is the meaning of all this? Always trying to oil or butter the higher authority and trying to take any position or more money from them. That is the thing, sir. The sycophancy. Option number A is wrongly spelled. Here one H should be there, so that is the wrong one. 100. A is the answer. Other words are there. Appliuse meaning admire. Blandishment meaning flattery. Flattery, same things like this one, flattery. If you are continuously praising someone without any reason, then you are doing the blandishment thing or flattery thing or oiling that person or buttering that person. Okay, and fawning is there. Okay, fawning and sycophancy and blandishment all are same. Try to win favor of someone. Try to win favor of someone. Okay, so how to win favor? People are oiling, buttering, doing flattery kind of thing and bootlicking kind of thing. Okay, thus they are trying to win the favor. Okay, that is the thing, sir. So blandishment, fawning, sycophancy all are the same thing, like synonymous. Please don't put appliuse word as the synonym, because appliuse meaning the genuine admiration. Genuine admiration, genuinely admire is admiring someone. Okay, so 100 number, option number A, spelling is wrong, so that is the answer, and that's all for this set.